This week, the Dog Hiking Club of Las Vegas visits the Gunsight Ridge Trail, which is only 2.5 miles long, but has unbelievable views of the Las Vegas Valley and the Red Rock Recreation Area. Join us in this brand new video from Golden K9 Campers. Hi everyone, it's Daryl. So we're on our hike this morning. This is the Gunsight Trail, Gunsight Ridge, something. There's, I guess, a gun range close by. Hopefully not too many people are going to be shooting off their guns because Jake doesn't really like it. But yeah, so it's kind of interesting. We've got all these cars that are here, and some of them are hikers, I think, but then others are, I guess these are folks that are kind of staying here, maybe close to Red Rock, I'm not sure. But yeah, so it's kind of weird. We're going up to the top, and it's about a couple mile or so walk, a little bit of rockiness, but get a good workout this morning and hopefully get some really nice views at the top of the ridge. A little climbing through here. Yeah, I'm not really super thrilled with the hike. Very, very rocky. So I had to put Jake's shoes on. I just did the front shoes, and hopefully that'll be enough. He was having problems with me putting on the back shoes. So yeah. Combination of the shooting range, making a lot of noise, and the rockiness of the path, a lot of sharp rocks. If you do bring dogs here, unless it's a little dog, if you've got a big dog, you probably want to bring shoes for him. Unless your dog's got some really tough feet, in that case, you'll probably be all right. Really nice views of Red Rock from right here in Mount Charleston. Look at that. Yeah, pretty. Some beautiful views. There's Red Rock Casino right there and hotel. There's the strip right there. Downtown Las Vegas in the distance. Yeah, this is... The only thing I don't like is the rockiness of the path. From over here, we don't hear the gun range anymore. Yeah, so there's the flagpole right there that we're going to. That's the end of the hike. You can see him up there. And now we're seeing the other kind of side of the valley. Beautiful. We're at the top of Gunsight Ridge here, and we pretty much got a 360-degree view of the valley. So beautiful. Jake's got his little booties on. He's doing really good, Jake. Look at that. Face the camera.
Seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago. But all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright. And for the first time in a long time, I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same.